beautiful. Today we drawing and coloring in I for Ivy Gourd. We started the series of alphabet learn with vegetable. So first of all we draw the sketch of I for Ivy Gourd vegetable.
Amazing!
Now we fill the color in it.
Amazing!
I hope you like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.
Amazing!